and welcome to the Blue Line Metals Edge here for Friday, February 10th. I'm Phillip Streible, Chief Market Strategist at Blue Line Futures. If you haven't done so, go to our website, bluelinefutures.com. Click on research and sign up for a free 2-week trial. You just put in your basic contact information. We'll get you down on a 2-week trial here. I really recommend taking a look at the Morning Express. It's going to give you most fundamental, comprehensive, key level support resistance on those precious metals and other macro markets that you're interested in. Now, looking at what's going on next week here, we actually got a lot. So this was kind of today's calendar here. But when you start getting into Tuesday, you're going to get that CPI data coming out. We can look at the chart here. They're expecting a slight uptick on CPI, so we'll see what happens here. And then also you get into Wednesday, you're going to have the industrial production data coming out. That's right here, the month over month. And then you go down on Thursday, you're going to get your PPI. So you do have some inflation data. You really want to see the inflation data come down a bit. That will take some of that hawkishness out of the Fed and out of that commentary, probably spark another rally here on equity markets. And I think that the dollar index will come off. You'll see all of your metals markets here shoot up in a lot of the commodities. You also want to see that industrial production number. You want to see this come up too quite a bit. If that comes out better, you're going to see like copper, platinum, silver, they'll all get their boost. So looking at the markets here, gold still under a bit of pressure here. It was unfortunate it couldn't hold 1900 yesterday. We do have a little bit more of a sell-off. It's a dollar index. It's been breaking back out to the upside. And it could trigger a long on like on some of the system buying, some of the like turtle trading type strategies, breakout trading strategies. You can see here we got this breakout to the upside. You got the DMI plus crossing over the minus. The ADX, this is a downward trend, the strength of it. You can see that it's continuing to decline here. So we are pushing in overbought territory, but that does not mean that it's overbought. It just confirms that it's probably entering into a bull market here. So, you know, the pain trade is really, if you're going to be long gold, silver, platinum, things like that, commodities, you want to be short a currency against it or long the dollar. It'll alleviate some of the pressure here from you. So if you look at silver, I think we're right around that 22 to 21.85. That's kind of the new floor. That's a new level of support. And it was really when we broke below this multi-month sideways range, that's when the liquidation really went on. We have seen ETF outflows continue to pick up. 4 straight days of ETF outflows. So if we would have got that breakout to the upside, ETF inflows would have happened. So really what we're looking at on gold, central bank buying, I think that's going to pick up here in the next week or two. And then on platinum, I think we're right near another critical level of support, right at that 950 level. So I am starting to add some positions on platinum, gold, and silver down at these levels and try and build into it. You can see on these currencies here, a lot of them are starting to break down. One that's not is the Canadian dollar. And if you look at oil, Russia came out, said they're going to take off 500,000 barrels per day. That's about 5% of the global output. And what that's doing is that's putting upside pressure here on the oil market, up about $1.50 here coming into the close. Other markets, Japanese yen, there was some discussion overnight on who is replacing Shinzo Abe. And with that being said, you've got some volatility there in that market. Also, the Swiss franc rolling over to the downside. There are some opportunities in some of these commodities, some of these other ones. I really like the sugar pushing to the upside. Another one that's a good one is wheat. It broke out. It's another one that's tied into Russia quite a bit. So if you have any questions, futures option trading, I'd love to talk to you. Give me a call, 312-858-7303. Remember, sign up for our research. And also, if you're seeing this on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe. We put out a lot of different videos. And if you have any questions, again, 312-858-7303. Remember, futures and option trading does involve risk of loss. May not be suitable to all investors. Good luck, good trading.